Now let's take a look at the latest updates from across the Indo-Pacific region. North Korea has criticised the US and its Asian neighbours for pursuing what it's called the absurd goal of denuclearizing the North. Officials have stated that now the country will push to expand its nuclear forces under the direction of authoritarian leader Kim Jong-un. The Foreign Ministry gave their statements following the meeting of top diplomats of the US, South Korea and Japan at a security conference in Germany. The ministry said the North will consistently bolster their nuclear force and would deter the US and its vessel forces from threats and blackmail against the North's sovereignty. Filipino Vice President Sara Duterte has asked the Supreme Court to void her impeachment. She also requested to block a Senate trial that could remove her from office. Her lawyers asked the 15-member High Court, stating that her trial was procedurally defective, constitutionally infirm and jurisdictionally void. She was impeached on the 5th of February over accusations that included plotting to assassinate the president and large-scale corruption. 4 Pakistani troops were killed overnight after militants ambushed them. They were responding to a prior attack on aid trucks in northwest Pakistan, which led to the shootout. The ambush happened hours after the authorities dispatched reinforcements for the air truck attack. The bodies of the 4 security forces were taken to a hospital. No groups have taken responsibility for the latest attack. China's President Xi Jinping has met with private sector business leaders. Reports tell us he's assured the leaders that policies regarding the private sector would not change. Among those present was Jack Ma, founder of Alibaba. He told the audience that the government would sincerely protect the legal rights of private businesses and entrepreneurs according to the law. Meanwhile, he also stated that they are a socialist country and any illegal activity by enterprises cannot avoid investigation and punishment. Officials have said that Japan will now allow people from Taiwan to list the island as their place of origin instead of China. After Tokyo normalised ties with Beijing in 1972, people from Taiwan were described as from China. According to a Justice Ministry official, this is set to change from May after ministry rules are revised, adding that the change follows requests from Taiwanese spouses who want to express their regional identity. Australia will soon deport 3 violent criminals, including a convicted murderer, to Nauru. This was when an Australian court ruled that dangerous immigrants can no longer be imprisoned indefinitely. Home Affairs Minister Tony Burke has stated that the 3 criminals have been issued 30-year Nauru visas. Meanwhile, opposition leaders told reporters that the government's claiming they're going to get rid of 3 criminals, but there'll still be more than 200 left.